Whether worn as a fashion statement, used as a handy outdoor/travel companion, or both, there's no denying a fanny pack can be quite cool. Not only due to their practicality, but also because of their versatility. We continue to update the list, testing a new pack for camping or cycling as well as models that are strictly crossbody fanny packs. Some options on this list are budget models, while some are sustainably produced. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 fanny packs on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JanSport 5th Avenue Fanny Pack. A JanSport fanny pack is a utilitarian belt bag. The 5th Avenue model works well as a crossbody bag and has the right size to function as an extremely useful utility belt. We really like the simple, black pack that we tested and found that its quality and size made it great for carrying bigger phones as well as other essential everyday items like keys, power banks and cash. It's extremely helpful, because of its lower profile, for activities like camping or sailing. Things we like: it comes in both adventurous prints and plain colors. The size is just right with lifetime warranty with elastic keeper to hold the excess strap. Things we don't like: can scratch your phone screen since there's no lining, no security pocket, whether inside or at the back. Section strap is thin. The buckle is made with cheap plastic material, breaks easily. Only a thin fabric separates the main compartment and front pocket. Number 2. Maxstop Fanny Pack. If you're aching for a belt bag but short on budget, you might want to check out Maxstop Fanny Pack. This affordable bum bag will keep your items well organized as you go about your day. It's crafted with a slick, torpedo design with standard features for smart organization. Sneak in your valuables while staying low profile. Sounds fine and dandy, right? It's a bestseller online and in popular use, but is it the belt bag for your needs? We tested the Maxstop Fanny Pack to see if it's just another budget option or if it's worth the sub $20 price tag. Things we like: slick designs with zippered inner pocket and rear pocket for more security. Its thick strap feels comfortable. There's a key clip for easy access. Reflective strap keepers help with visibility during the night. It's got a headphone hole which also works with a power bank. Things we don't like: strap holders feel a little cheap. Number 3. Herschel 14 Waist Pack. We had to test the Herschel Fanny Pack. The diminutive size belies its very intentional aesthetic. We were more interested in the quality of Herschel's 14 measured against other belt bags. Its simple design offers enough space to fit items too bulky or numerous for your pocket. But its low profile and design make it subtle too. As a belt bag, it can be concealed under a sweater. As a crossbody bag, the strap makes it a comfortable piece. The color options are pretty decent. The 14 is also pretty sharp fanny pack in black. Things we like: available in creative prints and solid color. Signature Herschel striped inner lining. Straightforward functional design. Low profile for subtle style. Strap thickness and quality. Things we don't like: inner seam sometimes prevents zipper from completely closing. No mesh back padding. Excess strap easily slips out of plastic clip-on belt. Number 4. Clear Fanny Pack Stadium Approved. Are you still undecided which clear fanny pack to use for work? Can't find the right transparent belt bag you need for a concert? The Veckel Clear Fanny Pack is a very affordable option to consider. We tested this to check its usefulness and quality. With its 3-liter capacity, it can carry more than your phone, cards, and lip gloss. Swiftly go through checks and save time seeing whether everything you need is packed up or not in a glance. This clear fanny pack won't break your bank. But can the same be said for this popular Amazon belt bag itself? After testing and taking a closer look at this clear concert bag, here's what we found out. Things we like: the front pocket is big enough to carry more than just mints and change. Stadium approved size. Things we don't like: water might trickle through the zippers. An additional zipped rear pocket can add a bit of security. Number 5. Champion Signal Fanny Pack. The Champion Signal is an affordable, yet practical fanny pack. It's a 2-pocket bag that both wears well along the belt or crossbody style. Your big mobile device can go in either of the 2 compartments. Its size makes it ideal for biking, running and everyday activities. Yet it seems roomier than your typical fanny pack of a similar size. The Signal might be a good choice if you're someone who needs to carry more than just your wallet and phone but don't like bulkier packs. Let's walk through what Champion Signal Fanny Pack features await you. Things we like: The low profile two-tone color combinatio. Its front pocket is as big as the main compartment. Hanging loop on the side for key. Polyethylene padding protects items in main compartment. Thicker material on bottom. Wider bottom makes for storage of bigger items. Things we don't like. Single zipper pull limits your crossbody option on your left. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.